Class 9. Subject Science Biology. Chapter 12. Improvement in Food Resources. Topic to be learned in this video: Crop Protection Management. Crop Protection Management. Field crops are infested by a large number of weeds, insect pests and diseases. If weeds and pests are not controlled at the time, then they can damage the crops so much that most of the crop is lost. Weeds are unwanted plants in the cultivated field. For example, Xanthium, Gokhru, Parthenium, Gajar Ghas, Cyperinus rotundus, Motha. They compete for food, space and light, and take up nutrients, reducing the crop growth. Therefore, removal of weeds from cultivated fields during the early stages of crop growth is essential for a good harvest. Generally, insect pests attack the plants in three ways. First, they cut the root, stem and leaf. Second, they suck the cell sap from various parts of the plant. And third, they bore into stem and fruits. They thus affect the health of the crop and reduce yields. Plant diseases are caused by pathogens like bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which can spread through soil, water, and air. Weeds, insects, and diseases can be controlled by various methods. One of the most commonly used methods is the use of pesticides, which include herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. However, overuse of these chemicals can harm plants and animals, causing environmental pollution. Mechanical removal of weeds. Preventive methods like proper seed bed preparation, tile sowing, intercropping, and crop rotation help in weed control. Some other preventive measures against pests are the use of resistant varieties and summer plowing, in which fields are plowed deep in summers to destroy weeds and pests. Storage of grains. Storage losses in agricultural produce can be very high. Factors responsible for such losses are biotic, insects, rodents, fungi, mites and bacteria, and abiotic, inappropriate moisture and temperatures in the place of storage. These factors cause degradation in quality, loss in weight, poor germinability, discoloration of produce, all leading to poor marketability. These factors can be controlled by proper treatment and by systematic management of warehouse. Preventive and control measures are used before grains are stored for future use. They include strict cleaning of the produce before storage, proper drying of the produce first sunlight and then in shade, and fumigation using chemicals that can kill pests. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.